Congratulations on your graduation. I'm Brian Chambers, a fellow alum, and I'm excited for this chance to say, well done. I know your unusual commencement experience is just one of the many ways the class of 2020 will make history. Be proud of your accomplishment and all of your hard work to get here, and take some time to celebrate this important milestone. When I graduated, I couldn't have predicted the path my life or career would take. As you think today about what you want your future to hold, here's my advice. The only person who can define your path is you. Look for opportunities and experiences that expand your knowledge, especially when that pushes you beyond your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to take the next step, even before you know you're ready, because that's how you learn what you can really do. When you approach your life and your career with the belief you can do anything you set your mind to, you learn how to take risks, the right risks, to make sure that nothing holds you back. I wish you all the best. Congratulations and take care.